Alright guys, now we're going to talk about how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So I use a software called Paint.net. I'll leave a link where you can download this software completely free. So once you have Paint.net open, this will be the default screen. We're going to want to change the image size, and to do this we just click Image, Canvas Size, and then we can change it to 1280 by 720. This is the default size for all YouTube thumbnails, and then you can just click OK. And then I recommend zooming out a little bit so you can see what the thumbnail will look like on the actual YouTube page, because the thumbnail is usually going to be pretty small, so you can just make it about that size. And then, since this video that we're uploading is about YouTuber conspiracy theories, we can go to Google and find an image, and then we can simply paste it in here, just clicking this button at the top, and then you can paste it in, like just of a popular YouTuber or something. And you don't want to lie with your thumbnails, but you just want them to be shocking so people click it. And then I recommend upping the brightness a little bit, so just going Adjustments, Brightness, Contrast, upping that a little bit so it's kind of more appealing for people to click so they can see exactly what's going on. And then maybe upping the saturation a bit as well. So as you can see, that makes it a little bit more appealing to click on. And then you can also add a red arrow right here using the shapes. Red arrows are a really good way to get people to want to click your videos. And then you can just point it at them right there, just like that. Now, if we really want to get people to click this, another thing we can do is put the arrow to his cheek right there. And then we can put a tear on his chin. And as you can see, we can put a tear right there. And then we can put a blue on it, so it actually looks like one, like a dark blue like that. And then see, it looks really unrealistic. So you can see if we zoom out, it looks more realistic. And you just want to make people want to click. Now the goal here isn't to deceive people. We just want to make them want to click so they watch our video. And then to save the thumbnail, you just go File, Save As. And then I recommend saving it as a .jpg, a JPEG file, because that's what YouTube recommends. And then you just click OK and then flatten. And then your new custom thumbnail will be saved.